Howdy folks, thanks for being with us. We're looking at Wisdolia this time. Wisdolia is a Chrome extension. Oh look, I've already typed it there. Let's go there. Wisdolia generates flashcards from any YouTube video. It also generates flashcards from website content, the text content. So that is pretty cool. And don't forget, once you create flashcards, you can save them in that software called ANKI. We looked at that very briefly, ANKI, in another video. Okay, this is a software that you can use to create flashcards, and it will expose you to those flashcards in certain time intervals, like 1 minute, 5 minutes, an hour, tomorrow, and 5 days time. That kind of thing. So, bearing in mind that that is available, let's go and have a very quick look at Wisdolia. Let's click on that. And you can see here, if I click on Add Extension, it's going to go to the Chrome Web Store, and I can add it here. I've already added it. That's why it says Remove from Chrome. Don't forget, you can also use it in Microsoft Edge. Oh, actually, I don't think you can use this one in Microsoft Edge. Some extensions you can use in Microsoft Edge. All right, I'm going to close that for a second. I'm going to go to a YouTube video here. Now, bear in mind, the free version only lets you summarize or create flashcards from maximum of 12 minutes. So you can see here, it's created flashcards. You can see the answers. What is the purpose of the author's video? To show us that. What are some voices available on that? Oh, look, they're exciting voices, aren't they? All right, so that is pretty cool. Now, you could go down here and you can save your flashcards to ANKI. I'm going to close this for a minute, and I'm going to go to a web page. So here's a web page on what is popular culture. Actually, let's go to a different one, because I'm pretty sure I've done that one already. Let's look at production tips, Gestalt theory. Okay, so we will click on our extensions, little jigsaw puzzle thingy up in that top right corner. Go down to Wisdolia and see what it does. Okay, it's created some. What are the key principles of Gestalt theory? Very interesting. Okay, so that's basically, oh, look, I will show you, no, that is basically it. I was thinking of another app. Yes, so that's basically it. Flashcards can be very good for helping you remember things. Don't forget, you can also click on the summary highlights. All right, that is a very cool thing. You can copy and paste that into, in fact, you could copy and paste those highlights into ChatGPT. One at a time, and you could say, hey ChatGPT, can you please elaborate on this point? Can you please elaborate on this? Okay, and it would then create for you a nice block of very good stuff. Thanks for being with us. Catch you later.